In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive for desktop to manage your files more efficiently without needing constant internet access. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, if you haven't already installed Google Drive for desktop, let's make sure you do that. Head over to the Google website, download the installer for your operating system, and follow the prompts to set up Drive on your computer. Installation is typically straightforward, but if you encounter any issues, check to ensure your device meets the minimum system requirements and try restarting your computer before attempting the installation again. Once you've got Google Drive for desktop installed, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. This is vital because it's how your files will sync from your Google Drive cloud directly to your computer. Simply open the application and enter your Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account yet, you'll need to create one, which you can easily do by following the on-screen instructions on the sign-in page. After signing in, you'll notice that there is a new Drive folder on your computer. This folder functions just like any normal folder you might have on your desktop, but with the added bonus of syncing with Google's cloud servers. This means any file you move into this folder will automatically be uploaded to your Google Drive and vice versa. It's perfect for those times when you need to manage your files between devices or share them with others. Now, if you want to be able to access your files even when you're not connected to the internet, follow this step. Navigate to the Drive folder on your computer. Here you can make entire folders available offline, which is incredibly useful for when you're working on the go or in places where internet access might be spotty or unavailable. To do this, simply right-click on the folder you want to make accessible offline. In the menu that appears, you'll want to choose Offline Access and then select Available Offline. By selecting this option, the contents of this folder will be downloaded directly to your device. This means that whenever you need to open or work on these files, you won't need an internet connection. They'll be as accessible as any other file on your local hard drive, allowing you seamless productivity wherever you are. That's all there is to it. Now, you can enjoy the convenience and flexibility of accessing your important files anytime, no matter where you are. Remember, these changes will automatically sync back to the cloud once you're connected to the internet again, ensuring all your updates are safely stored across all your devices. Thank you for watching and enjoy the newfound efficiency with Google Drive for desktop.